check it out.
Check what out?
Yo, check this out.
Yo, microphone check 1, 2, what is this?
And we're ready for sound check.
Hey everyone, I go by names of Amos Lovinz, Mr. Black, all the way from Uganda. I'm super excited to be here on Soundcheck. Big love to everyone supporting my music. I can't wait to share more of my stories and vibes with you all guys. Yeah, bless. If I could describe my songwriting process as a Ugandan dish, it would be Luombo. Because it takes time, layers, and patience, just like writing music with depth, emotion, and meaning. Every ingredient adds a unique flavor, just like every lyrics and melody in my songs. If I could remix one of my past tracks in an expected way, I would choose Ndikudobo, and blend it into Afrobeat with gospel. I love the idea of combining rhythm-driven energy with spiritual depth. That contrast will bring out a whole new emotional layer in the song. That one unexpected sound for everyday. Everyday sound. That could be, taxes in Kampala. Their vocal patterns are rhythmic, almost musical, as they shout things like Wandegea, eh? Yeah, they do it with a full energy, but in a rhythmic way. I had some wild fun moments, but one that sticks out was when a fan handed me a handmade scrapbook titled "Every Time You Blinked on Stage." It had photos, notes, even sketches. She said, "I track your eyes, contact energy." I didn't know whether to laugh or call security. I just hugged her and thanked her for the dedication. If I had to write a song about it, that chorus would go a little something like, she counted every bleak. She counted every bleak. Shown me charts and blinking map. She counted every bleak. Yeah, something like sort of. Yes, if I would to start a songwriting school, I would tell young songwriters, try to mimic what is popular instead of to start with their own stories, language, and experiences. I would begin by helping them understand that their unique backgrounds, whether it's shaped by a village rhythm, city hustle. Before even we write a word, I would ask them what do they deeply feel. What keeps them awake at night? What's the sound of their home? Because great songwriters or songwriting doesn't start with techniques. It starts with truth. That deep feeling you have, Yeah.